Did you know you can use green filing to submit a judge's copy to their courtroom or department? We offer courtesy copy delivery with next day or same day delivery. Request courtesy copy delivery when you submit your court filing or simply upload your documents for quick delivery. Scroll to the courtesy copy delivery section. Select the checkbox next to the word Yes. Next, fill out your delivery location, including the courthouse and department, or name of the judge. Then, select your service level and confirm the delivery fee. And that's it! Once the filing is submitted, our system immediately sends the documents to our courier for delivery. But green filing service doesn't end there. Your peace of mind is extremely important to us. And that's why we send email and in-app notifications upon completion of delivery. Have more questions about courtesy copy delivery? We have answers. Check out our detailed help articles on support.greenfiling.com or click the live chat button located at the bottom right of your screen. Expedite your legal processes with green filing today.